Hello, my dear kids. How you all are doing? I hope you all are fine and also you all are safe inside your house. Today, I have something special for you. Are you excited to see what is that? Okay, shall we now? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Today we are going to talk about the bubbles. Dear children, tell me what's that? It's a kettle. Have you ever seen bubbles? Yeah, when the water is boiling, we can see bubbles. Right? It come out from the spout. Look at this. It's a bubble. It's look like a ball. Do you like to blow bubbles, my kids? Yes, I know you like to blow bubbles. It's so much fun. How do you make bubbles? First, pour some dishwashing liquid into bowl. Next, add some water. After that, mix them well. What's that, my kids? Can you see it? It's a soap. Let's make a soap bubble. It's a very thin film of soap water. Their shape is round and round like a ball. Bubbles are very colorful and beautiful. Look at this, my kids. This is a beautiful fish tank. Look, there are so many bubbles. Bubble is a very thin film of water. The inside and outside surface made by thin water layers. We can see air inside the bubble. Look at this, everybody. A boy is swimming in the water. We can make bubbles when we are diving underwater. My dear lovely princesses and princes, I know you all get up early in the morning. You are very active. Have you gone to your garden in the morning? Yes. What are the things you can notice there? You will find beautiful bloomed flowers, beautiful butterflies, singing birds. Not only that, but also you will find dewed leaves. Now tell me, what are dews? Okay. Dews are the water droplets that we find in the morning on leaves. Usually in spring or winter when the environment is cold. It is similar to rain droplets. Do you like to drink soft drink? When you drink soft drink, your mouth will turn to red color. But remember, it's not good for our health. You all can see this glass of soft drink? See the bubbles around the glass. Hope you all have touched them. This is Tom. Tom is a very good child. He gets up early in the morning. He loves his mom a lot. Mom also loves Tom a lot. Every morning, Mom makes a big glass of milk and gives to Tom to drink. Tom wanted to grow big soon. So Tom also finished the whole glass of milk every day. One day, Tom wanted to see how Mom is making milk. Then Tom got up in the morning and went to the kitchen secretly. When Tom enters to the kitchen, Mom said, "Good morning, my son. Today you have got up very early. Why is that?" Then Tom said, "Mom, I want to see how to prepare milk." Then Mom told, "This is the kettle and first we should pour water to this. After lighting the cooker, we should wait until the bubbles appear." Tom asked, "Then Mom, what are bubbles?" Then Mom said, "When the water boils, water bubbles appear. There are small bubbles, big bubbles, tiny bubbles. After bubbles came, we can light off the cooker. Then we can make our tea from the bubble hot water." Then Mom showed how to make a milk tea to little Tom. Tom felt so happy. Now I am going to recite the poem. The poem is The Bubbles. Bubble, says the kettle. Bubble, says the pot. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It's very, very hot. Bubble, says the kettle. Bubble, says the pot. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It's very, very hot. Once again. Bubble, says the kettle. Bubble, says the pot. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It's very, very hot. What is this, children? It's a kettle. Look, there are so many bubbles inside the kettle. Have you seen? Okay, it's time to practice the poem. Are you ready? Everybody say after me. Bubble, says the kettle. Bubble, says the kettle. Bubble, says the kettle. Bubble, says the pot. Bubble, says the pot. Bubble, says the pot. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It's very, very hot. It's very, very hot. It's very, very hot. Hope you enjoy it. Keep practicing. Thank you and stay safe.